Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna do unboxing for this new Android device ZTE Blade A3 Plus. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, I just got it and we are gonna see what we have got here. Okay. So this has 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. As you can see, this phone now. Apart from this, what accessories I have got: manual, books, charger, charging cable and charging point both, and battery. And I do not see any earplugs. So what options I have got? Okay, this is for charger, this port, and 3.5 mm to connect. Usual Android controls I have on the side, and there's nothing at the bottom except this one. So thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.